Hi guys, it's Laura. Thanks for watching and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how I created the baseball bat for my Harley Quinn costume. If you missed the first part, the part in which I have shown you how I made the costume, I will link it down below and also here in the right corner. And now let's get into this. So if you want to know how I made the bat, then please keep watching. Here we have all the things that we will need for our today's project. So I bought this baseball bat online. It is made of wood and it was quite inexpensive, which is always a good thing, especially for Halloween projects. However, it is a bit narrow. It will do for me, I'm totally fine with that. But if you want your bat to look a little bit more authentic, you might want to look for a baseball bat that would be a little bit thicker here in the front. But again, as I said, this will do for me. I'm fine with that. It's just for my costume. So I decided to keep this one and work with the one that I have. Next, I have here this band. I'm gonna use it in order to wrap the handle. And then I have here a sandpaper because I want to sand these letters down so that they wouldn't be visible anymore. Furthermore, I have here permanent markers because that's the easiest way how to do this. So I have here markers in black, red and white with a little bit thicker tip. I'm gonna use these for the letters and also for a pattern that's gonna be above the band on the handle. And then I have here a permanent marker that's a little bit thinner. Harley Quinn has a lullaby written on her baseball bat. It's the Hush Little Baby lullaby, but the text has been altered to her crazy mind, and I found the text online, so I will link it down below, and that's what I'm gonna write on the back of the bat with the thinner permanent marker. And I have here a template for the words good night. I printed them out and cut them out already, and I'm gonna use them when I'm gonna outline the letters, and when I will be done I will simply fill them out with the red permanent marker. I made a template that you can download for free for you guys, so I will link it down below. Instead of using the permanent markers, you could take the template and tape it to the bat and maybe put a tiny little drop of hot glue in these areas, and you would also need to keep this middles for the O's and for the D's and stick them with one little drop of hot glue to the bat, and then you could use a spray paint and basically spray the words on the bat. But I have decided against it because this is paper. It is a thicker paper, but I was afraid that it might get soaked in the paint, and I was afraid that the outlines would not be as nice. But it's definitely a possibility. I made also a template for the pattern on the area that's above the handle that's been wrapped into the white band, but I'm not gonna use it because my bat is too narrow for that. Same goes for the target. It's a little bit too big, but you can download it together with the letters. Link is down below and it's for free. First, I grabbed the tape and I wrapped it around the handle. I will link down below where I got it from. As a next step, I sanded the writing down. Once I was done with that, I had a clean canvas, and then I taped my template to the bat. I took the thicker black marker and I started outlining the letters. Once I was finished with that step, I took down the template and I went over the outlines again. Then I took the red marker and I filled out the letters in red. Another option would be to do it the other way around. You could fill out the letters first with the red marker and then you could outline them. And that is of course entirely up to you. I painted the target on the head of the bat freehand. And then I went on and I made the shapes above the handle. I used a photo of Harley Quinn's bat as a reference and I kind of tweaked it just to make it a little bit easier for myself. I used blue marker for the rectangular shapes in the middle and red marker for the triangular shapes on the top and bottom of the blue shapes, and I outlined all with black marker. Here is what the bat looked like so far. And as a last step, I have written Harley Quinn's lullaby on the back of the bat with the thinner permanent marker. I found the text on the internet, so I will link it down below in the description box. And once I was done with the last step, the bat was finished. Alright, and that is it. I had a lot of fun creating this costume. And I will definitely have a lot of fun wearing it for Halloween. I'm so excited about that. So thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys so much and see you soon. Bye.